Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinsons ng Baliches. Machine po namin is Honjet. Ako po si Felix Marauda, operator po. May nairan kami ditong 72 meters up to this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping na may 80% po itong working and good. Last na napalitan yung head is nung October 2023 last year po. Head clean tayo. Punas wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Racing tank na linis ng Friday. Ground wire. Use ink. Unused ink. Ito naman po ang film. Powder. Ito naman po ang weekly consumable. Nagamit ng magenta, inventory, workload. Ito po nagamit sa powder, black, cyan, yellow, white ink, 30cm film, daily checklist. Marami pong salamat.